Assalamualaikum guys, I am Kizer. In today's video we are going to look at Google Career Certification. Last year Google announced its career certification, but now all the programs that Google promised to launch has been successfully launched. First have a look at this Google tweet that last year Google is about to announcing Google Career Certification, but now have a look at their latest tweet and they are saying the Google Career certifications are live now. In today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can avail the chance of Google Career certification, and Google have also said that their career certification equivalent to 4-year degree. Now I will share the link in a description box. You can directly link on the link and you can go to this site. Otherwise you can directly go to this site like grow.google/certification and you will see this type of page. When you scroll this page you can see that Google is asking about get the professional level training from Google, and here are some stats from Google, and finally here are the main courses or Google career courses that they've announced. You can see is ID Sport, data analytics, project management, UX design, and Android development. It's up to you what type of course you want to do. For now I am just clicking on data analytics. I just click on learn more and it will reload into another page, and it's saying that Google has launched this course with collaboration of course era. If you want to do this course, we have to just click on this get started. I click on it, get started, and you can see it directly redirect me to the course era. Here you can see Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. You can log in here, or first of all let's look what we are going to do in this certification. We will learn the skills about spreadsheet, data cleaning, data analysis, data visualization, SQL, and many much more. And let's see how we can enroll in this certification. Here is the number of courses. They are saying there are 8 courses in this professional certificate. You can see course number 1, course 2, 3, 4, and when you click on show more, and it will show you the all courses. Now how you can enroll in these courses, you just have to click on this enroll button, enroll for free, and first of all it will ask you about sign up. You can sign up here and you can start your free learning. But if you want to get a certificate you will have to pay $49 per month. And here's another option. If you want to avail free these courses, you can just click on this button, financial aid. When you click on it, it will open a window for you, and again you have to log in to this account. Fine. In this way you can avail Google certification. And if you want to learn more certification about Google, just go on search and write Google and click on search. As you click on search, let's apply some filter that what type of certification we want. We want professional certification from Google. Just click on this learning project, and here are multiple options. I want guided project, courses, specialization, or professional certification. I click on professional certification and you will see it will show me a number of certification that is available or offered by the Google. You can see very first course is Google Data Analysis that we have just opened, and Google Project Management, Google UX Design, Google ID Sport, and you can see Google IT Automation with Python, Google Cloud Architecture with Cloud, Google Cloud Engineering, Data Engineering, Google Cloud Security, and SRE and DevOps Engineering with Google Cloud. In this way you can apply for Google Career certification. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel and please share it as much as you can, that many of your friends, fellows, and please get benefit from this certification. Thank you. Thanks.